In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify or delete opportunities in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll confidently adjust your pipeline stages and safely remove a pipeline when it's no longer needed. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and heading to your main dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open Opportunities. This is your home base for tracking leads and deals as they move through your process. At the top, click the Pipelines tab. Think of a pipeline as the visual path your opportunities follow, with each stage representing a milestone in your workflow. Choose the pipeline you want to edit. Once you're inside, click Add Stage. Adding a stage creates a new column in your pipeline, which helps you capture a specific step in your process and keeps your team aligned on where each opportunity stands. In the field that appears, type the name for this stage. Clear, action-focused names work best. Something your team will instantly understand at a glance. Next, click Add Stage again and enter the name for a second stage. Use this for a key status you regularly track. Consistent naming conventions make reporting easier and help avoid confusion down the line. Click Add Stage one more time and add a final stage name. This is a great place to capture items that require notes or extra review, so nothing slips through the cracks. Keep in mind, concise stage names help maintain a clean, scannable board. When you're done adding stages, click Save. This applies your changes and updates the pipeline for everyone on your team. If you don't see your changes immediately, a quick refresh usually does the trick. Now head back to the Opportunities menu. Here, we're going to remove a pipeline that's no longer needed. Locate the pipeline you want to delete, then click the trash bin icon under the Actions column. Deleting a pipeline is a permanent action, so make sure you've selected the correct one and that you truly no longer need it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to type a specific word. Enter the exact word shown to confirm you understand the action. This is an extra safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Finally, click Yes, Delete to complete the process. Once confirmed, the pipeline is removed from your account, helping you keep your workspace organized and focused on the processes you actively use. That's it. How to modify your pipeline by adding stages, and how to delete a pipeline in GoHighLevel. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with any questions, and subscribe for more.